Hello guys, I am Arjun and today I will let you know to how to make the lesson plans of economic. Okay, and this is the procedure of Herbart method and the topic is demand. First of all, you have to write the general aim. Okay, then after we have to write the specific objective, whereas in this specific objective there are many objectives like knowledge objective, understanding objective, and next one is experimental objective, attitude objective. Then after, the new portion is teaching material. In teaching material we have to use rollerboard, chart, pointer, flashcards, etc. Then after, previous knowledge, and we have to ask introductory questions to the pupil. The introductory questions are: roughly transactions are recorded in which book? Then after, student will respond, roughly transactions are recorded in the West book. And the second question is, date wise transactions are recorded in which book? In journal, date wise transactions are recorded. Then after, the problematic questions is there, like the journal entries are posted in which book? There is no response by the student, so that this question is called as problematic questions. Okay, now we have to present over the topic. The topic is ledger. Then after, we have to write the statement of the aim, and after that, presentation. In the columns of presentation there are serial number, main teaching points, pupil teacher activity, students response, and conclusion. We have to put up the first question, which is known as the developing question. Name the chief book of account, and the student responds that ledger is the chief book of account. Now student has responded. Now we have to ask one more question to the student, which is known as the problematic question, in which student do not have to answer the question because it is called problematic question. Like, what do you mean by the term ledger? And the student had not response, so we have to write no responses there. Then after, meaning of ledger, we have to explain the term meaning of ledger, and students will listen carefully, and we have to conclude it in the conclusion portion. Then after, the developing questions, one more developing questions is there, like how many sides does ledger have? There are two sides, that are debit and credit, which was student response. Now the next question is, do you know about the characteristics of ledger? No response from the student side. Then after, we have to explain the characteristics of ledger. The characteristics of ledger are master record of all the accounts, prepared from journal, shows current balance, fourth one is trial balance, and ledger accounts are prepared. And the students will listen carefully for the same. And we have to conclude the characteristics of ledger in the conclusion portion. Then after, the blackboard summaries, here we have to attach the blackboard in this portion. Okay, then after then after, the writing and supervision. Okay, in the portion of writing and supervision, we have to write, teacher will supervise the students and make them to noting down the home assignments and summary of the blackboard, which means teacher will supervise in the playway method, like he will roaming in the class and make students to note down the blackboard summary and make them to write the homework assignment. And we have to ask recapitulatory questions, in which there have maximum 6 questions and minimum 4 questions are there. Like these are the recapitulatory questions. And then after, home assignment is rare. Likewise, prepare a chart showing the characteristics of leisure. This is the home assignments for the students. For today, this much. Thank you so much.